Hey, and welcome to the Deep Dive.
Hello.
We're always looking at what's new, what's important, and today we're zooming in on something pretty interesting in dental health. Thommen implants.
Ah, yes, Thommen.
This actually comes from a recent event the team at Omni Dental of Arlington Heights attended.
Right.
They're located at 305E Rand Road, just so you know if you're local.
Good to know.
And they got a number, too, 847-483-8833 if you want more info later.
Okay.
So Thommen implants. What makes them worth this closer look?
Well, Omni Dental was at this event hosted by Thommen Medical. It was up at Cooper's Hawk Winery and Restaurant.
Oh, nice venue.
Right there in Arlington Heights, yeah. It was Thursday, May 1st, 2025.
Okay.
And what we really want to unpack for you is, how advancements in this implant tech might mean better care, better outcomes.
Right. Better patient results. Okay, so
Yeah.
Thommen Medical, they sound established.
Yeah.
Give us a little backstory.
They really are. They've been a key player for, over 30 years now.
30 years, okay.
Started in Switzerland. And their whole philosophy, it's built on safety, precision.
So it's precision, yeah.
Exactly. And, high quality. It's one of those stories of starting with a clear vision and just sticking to it.
And that took them to the top in implantology.
Pretty much, yeah. They're definitely a leader now.
Switzerland, you immediately think watches that kind of precision. So this event at Cooper's Hawk, definitely not the usual conference hall feel, right?
No, not at all. It was a really nice change of pace. Cooper's Hawk, great spot.
Yeah.
Very inviting atmosphere. They had it in a private room, so it felt more personal.
Better for connection, I bet.
Totally. Allowed for better Q&A, better learning. It was relaxed, but still professional,
Sounds ideal.
And they had buffet. So, yeah, a comfortable way to get up to speed on the latest stuff.
Huh? No rubber chicken dinner then?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
So who was sharing the insights? Who did they hear from?
There were two main speakers. First was Marty Kobler.
Okay, Marty Kobler.
Yeah, he's a well-known name in dental implants, lots of experience. He gave this really helpful overview, kind of tracing how implant systems have evolved.
The history.
Exactly. And what stuck out was his point about Thommen, how they've always put safety and that Swiss precision first.
Compared to others, maybe?
Yeah, he sort of contrasted it with some other approaches. He also mentioned the really rigorous testing they do in Switzerland at their own facility.
Okay, so that Swiss testing really highlights their commitment, getting it right.
Definitely.
And who's the other speaker?
That was Todd Fredrich. He's the vice president at Thommen Medical.
VP. So he got into the nitty-gritty.
Yeah, he dove right into the technical side, the Thommen implant system itself.
Okay.
And he made it clear, look, this isn't some brand new thing they just cooked up.
Right, it's tested.
It's a system they've been refining, using successfully in clinics for 3 decades. That's a lot of real-world data.
30 years of clinical success. Yeah, that does build confidence. What's technically different about their system? What makes it stand out?
Todd Fredrich really focused on the design features. He talked about the precision fit.
How precise are we talking?
Like micron level precise, tiny tolerances.
Wow.
And this near perfect fit, it minimizes those tiny movements after the implant's in.
Which is important because...
Huge deal for long-term stability and for preventing bone loss around the implant.
Makes sense.
He also stressed that the whole design is centered on patient comfort, not just immediately, but for years and years.
Right, long-term success and comfort.
Exactly. That's a big part of their philosophy.
Okay, so it's about the whole patient journey, not just placement day. Now, I heard something about a special collaboration. That sounds interesting.
Yeah, that was a pretty big reveal from Todd Fredrich. They're calling it an extraordinary collaboration.
Okay, between Thommen and who?
Between Thommen Medical and a global advisory board.
Global?
Yeah, not just internal folks. This is a group of really top-tier dental experts from Switzerland, Germany, the U.S.
Wow, bringing in international brainpower. What's the board's job exactly?
Their main focus is to keep refining the Thommen system, making it even better.
Constantly improving.
Exactly. By bringing these, leading clinical minds together, Thommen wants to make sure their system keeps meeting the absolute highest standards for quality, for predictable results.
It's like a dream team for implant design.
Kind of, yeah. Making the best even better.
That shows a real dedication to staying cutting edge.
Yeah.
You mentioned Swiss precision before. Is that just marketing, or is there something concrete there?
Oh, it's definitely concrete. Thommen puts huge emphasis on it. Swiss precision craftsmanship.
Meaning?
Meaning, in practice, they make all their implants themselves. in-house
Okay.
at their facility in Grenchen, Switzerland.
Yeah.
That gives them incredible control over every single step.
Quality control.
Total quality control, making sure every implant meets their super strict standards. Combine that with the 30 years.
Yeah.
It really shows their commitment to safety and predictable results.
Where that in-house manufacturing makes a difference. And how does that precision actually affect the implant in someone's mouth?
Well, that precise manufacturing directly impacts osseointegration.
Osseointegration. That's the bone fusing to the implant.
Exactly. Your bone grows right onto the implant surface, creates that super strong, lasting bond, like a natural tooth root.
Okay.
Thommen implants are designed specifically for that seamless integration, which leads to better stability, better long-term success.
Makes sense.
Plus, their design actively tries to minimize bone loss around the implant, and that lowers the risk of failure down the road.
Minimizing bone loss is absolutely key for long-term health. Yeah. So, okay, they're focused on quality, precision right now. But what about the future? Are they innovating?
Oh, absolutely. They stress that. It's not just about making great implants now.
They're looking ahead.
They're deep into ongoing R&D, research and development, looking at new materials, things that could improve performance even more.
Like what kind of things?
Well, they even mention exploring things like extracellular vesicles.
Extracellular vesicles. That
That's
sounds advanced.
It is. Pretty cutting-edge stuff. These are tiny particles that might potentially help improve how bone integrates with implants even better in the future.
Wow. So they're definitely not just resting on their laurels.
Not at all. Always pushing forward.
That's good to hear. Now, the event itself, it wasn't just presentations, right? Was there networking?
Oh, yeah, definitely. It was a great chance for dentists and other professionals to connect.
And what was the vibe? What were people saying?
Really positive feedback, especially from dentists who've been using Thommen implants for years.
Oh, so experienced users were there.
Yes, and they kept talking about the performance, the reliability they see day in, day out in their practices.
That firsthand experience is powerful validation.
It really is. Hearing it from colleagues always carries weight.
Okay, so as we start to wrap this up, what are the main things we should take away about Thommen Medical from this event?
I'd say 3 key things. 1, their experience.
Yeah.
Over 30 years in the game.
Okay, experience.
2, their commitment. Unwavering focus on quality and safety. You see it in the Swiss manufacturing, the testing.
Quality and safety. Got it.
And 3, innovation. They're actively investing in R&D, looking towards the future of implant tech.
Experience, quality and safety, innovation.
Yeah.
Clear. And how does knowing this help you, our listener, or connect back to Omni Dental in Arlington Heights?
Well, for Omni Dental, getting this deep understanding just reinforces their goal, providing you with the best possible solutions.
Staying informed.
Exactly. By knowing about these advancements, they can offer implant options like Thommen with confidence, knowing it's backed by success, quality, and innovation.
So for the listener.
For you, it means knowing that Omni Dental is tuned into this level of expertise. It means you can feel confident you're getting care that uses some of the most reliable, advanced tech out there.
Okay, so if someone listening is thinking about dental implants, and maybe Thommen sounds like a good fit, what's the next step?
Best bet, reach out directly to Omni Dental.
Talk to the team.
Yeah, they can give you personalized info, answer your questions, see if implants, maybe Thommen implants, are right for your specific needs.
And the number again?
It's 847-483-8833, or you can stop by the office, 305 E Rand Road in Arlington Heights.
Great. You know, it really is exciting to see this continuous progress in dental implantology.
It truly is.
It just highlights the potential to really improve people's quality of life, their health.
Absolutely makes you think, doesn't it? What other amazing advancements are just around the corner in dental care?
Definitely something to keep an eye on.